Hi, this is Debbie. I'm going to go over our fine arts project for Cycle 1, Week 14. We're going to be doing a relief using the techniques that Ghiberti may have used. There's a nice write-up about the man here. And then at your table there's also some colored printouts of some of his life work, the baptistry doors in Florence. So there's the north doors and the east doors and some of the details, and then in the center is his self-portrait or self-sculpture. Those are available to you. Okay, we're pretty much going to be doing the project with a few modifications, so I wanted to tell you what those are. Everybody will have the cardboard sheets, but instead of using cardboard shapes, we're going to be using foam shapes, different widths, thicknesses of foam shapes. Many of them have stickers on the back, so that will be easy to put down. Some just put down with regular glue. There's also some other shapes there that could be glued down. And instead of using twine covered in glue, we're going to be using benderoos, which is like a wiki stick, where it's waxy outline, so they can just form them in any shape they want and stick them to their cardboard. There will be little bowls of different things for each class, just so make sure that you all get a chance to have at least some of the supplies. But if your kids need more of something, just let us know and we can see about getting you some more. Okay, and then the other thing is, the only other suggestion that I have for them is to make sure that their things that they glue down are spaced out well enough so that when they press down in between them, there's actually an indentation. So, okay, so once they have their design glued or stuck down, then they're ready to cover it with foil. Instead of painting, we are going to use pre-painted strips of aluminum foil. So once we put this down, hopefully they'll be ready to use the steel wool and wipe it off. Start in the center, have them just lay it down over the top and start in the center and just press around their shapes. You don't want to wrap it around the cardboard until your shapes are pressed down. So, have them. Okay, once they get it pressed down, then they're able to fold it over. Fold over the edges, and at this point you could tear off some of the foil so it's not tons of foil on the back of there. Some of the big kids may be able to do that, some of the little ones may not. Okay, fold your foil over the top, and then there you go. Now they're ready to use the steel wool and continue with the project. So the steel wool are these little bitty strips. It worked well for me just to put them around your finger and then rub. It's like you're rubbing with the end of your fingertip. And they should rub all of the areas where their shapes are. And this is just like the project says. I'll try to do it quickly. And there you go. These are using, like I said, pre-painted sheets. However, I have black paint available to you and brushes if there's a spot on here that needs to be repainted. But I was hoping that would just mainly be for touch-ups and we wouldn't have to wait for a lot of the paint to dry. So once they're done with that, there's construction paper ready for them to mount on the construction paper. and label with their name on the front. And that was the end. That's the end of our nice project. So, thank you. Bye.